some fun so far, some great ideas as we heard from Kelly, our first session talking about how to really engage with donors on a more personal level. And we talked about some great ideas like, scheduling intern lunches or different opportunities to engage, like have a wrap of the month, offer donor certificates or small group newsletters. And so Kelly really focused on making different touch points for your donors at various times in a more personal level outside of any automation, which can just deepen that level of personalization with donors. And then Taylor, she focused again on rhythms and helping to make your vision seem more achievable. And a couple ways to do that is to, instill some SMART goals, and that'll actually help you build trust with yourself and your team, and also be more confident in what is happening and what needs to happen right now in the present, just to, help you be able to focus on whatever is today and not worry about what's happening in the future. And then I really liked her grab bag rhythm ideas. I thought that was a really great slide. I was like, oh my gosh, if I need one slide, I'm taking this one, because it was just filled with some really great ideas, like having a schedule of asking, thanking, reporting, repeating, using anniversary dates or thank you Thursdays. And so I just really liked some of her unique ideas to reach out in a rhythmic way, and also the reminder that things are fluid. So, it's nothing's totally finite. It's all fluid and helpful to just make fundraising a little bit easier and more personal. So yeah, that was our little recap. Rob, I don't know if you wanted to mention any other insights on what we've learned so far.
No, I think that's a good summary. But I think we can hop into kind of the next two things as part of our break. So just a reminder, we do have a break for about 6 more minutes until the next session. The next session will be about Ignite the Spark, Transforming Strategies for Peer-to-Peer Fundraising with Catherine Lacefield. So that's going to start in about 6 minutes. But before we do that, I want to do two things. The first thing is three things actually. So first thing is let's talk about housekeeping. A lot of you are joining us just now or have joined us midway through. So these sessions are being recorded, as well as we'll have all the presentations sent out along with some notes too, so you can take a look. So all of that will be sent out for free. We'll send it out tomorrow, hopefully, or sometime, depending on how long it takes to get everything uploaded. So that's the first housekeeping item. The second thing is I want to talk about CosWalks. So this summit is being sponsored by CosWalks as well as the collection of speakers, so that you can get fundraising insights to you all for free. So at CosWalks, we are a fundraising platform for nonprofits. So what this really means is you can use this to create unique donor experiences. So everything from donation forums all the way to fundraising websites, we help you make fundraising personal again. A lot of times when we think about fundraising, especially when it comes to online, since we're all short-staffed, don't have a lot of time, we tend to just blast things out with a one-size-fits-all mentality. But at CosWalks, we do things a little bit differently. We fundamentally believe that if you make fundraising personal, you'll be able to convert more donors as well as retain more donors. So what this really looks like on CosWalks is the ability for you to create different type of fundraising campaigns, such as you could do peer-to-peer fundraising. Peer-to-peer fundraising is a great way just to acquire new donors by leveraging your network. You get your board members, your staff, your volunteers to create personal fundraising pages, team fundraising pages to raise money from their network and their donors. What you can also do with CosWalks too is you can run event ticketing as well as galas and events. You can sell tickets using CosWalks, such as event ticketing, VIP tickets, and we facilitate the whole reporting process and the ticketing and order process for you. We also do a lot of other stuff too over here at CosWalks, such as managing your donors. You can use our donor management interface to track donors, pull data, look at how much has been donated, who has donated. We also give donors a self-service portal too, so they can manage their donation at any time. There's a ton of other stuff that we do at CosWalks too. You can check us out, coswalks.com. You can find us if you want to find more info. You can schedule a demo if you wanted to. So feel free to check us out if you do have the time. All right. So the next thing, the third and last thing I want to do really is the most important thing during our break. I think all of you are still waiting around to see who has won the participation prize. So Participation prize over here. We have two participation prize winners. So participation is based off of Q&A as well as engagement in the webinar chat. So the two winners are, first one would be O'Shell Baller. O'Shell Baller, congratulations. You won a $20 donation to a charity and nonprofit of your choice. The second winner is Deborah Bailey. Congratulations, Deborah Bailey, for your engagement in the past two sessions. And you've also won a $20 donation to a nonprofit of your choice. So we will be reaching out to both of you since you're in our webinar and summit. We do have your email address, so we'll be sending you an email with more information after our summit today. Thank you so much, O'Shell and Deborah, as well as the collection of attendees, our live attendees today, for participating. We welcome your continued participation since we will have additional participation prizes at our next break.